Namaste, Jai Bharat. When we look back in history, we find quite a few knowledge traditions spread all over the world. The Mayans, the Aztecs, the Celts, etc. Egyptians, and Sumerians also, Babylonians. There are many people with given knowledge tradition. But my question is, the antiquity remains. We are really not able to say which civilization is exactly how older. Let it remain. Definitely the Bharatiya civilization must be definitely older than all other non-civilization, logically. So let me put a simple question to find out where it all must have begun, or who is the greatest contributor of knowledge. You look at any civilization in the entire world, you look at any knowledge tradition in the entire world, you find all of them except one. I repeat, you find all of them except one having deep knowledge, rather complete knowledge at given that time and space in given areas. Given areas. Look at the Egyptians, they have expertise in given area, in cause, and all other people you pick up anything. They have definite knowledge. They had definite knowledge, but in certain areas. But when you come to Bharatiya knowledge tradition, which is a very Upanishadic knowledge tradition, you find the knowledge in all areas of possibility. This difference one must read. All other knowledge traditions have expertise in given areas. But in Bharatiya knowledge tradition, we have expertise in all areas of knowing. There is no area left unexplored. You can work and find out how wrong or right I am. Just see. In simple terms, I used to say in the classrooms when we interact with students, we have knowledge right from Kama Sutra to Advaita Vedanta. That's a range. Everything is there in it. People have explored into all possible areas, all possible ways. They have tried to know everything. So, the knowledge tradition is rather full in capital letters. That means no area of knowledge is left untouched. They have tried, different people at different times, whatever may be, but they have tried to know everything. Everything. In all other civilizations, they have tried to know given areas. This point one should keep in mind. And we call Bharat Vishwaguru, world teacher, not without reason, not without any proper grounds or edifice. Yes, Bharat is Vishwaguru. You know why? First of all, what I just said, they knew everything. They had knowledge about all areas. And at one time, we have the concept of teaching and learning through Gurukulas. Gurukula, small or big, are as good as a modern university. Some are very large, some are very small. But the small Gurukulas are more serious in most cases because they are specially specific. Only one area will be explored, so only few students will go. Specially specific. Larger area, many things are worked. And the doors of Bharat were always open to anyone coming. Those days in search of knowledge, later in search of money, then in search of authority and power. But then people used to come to Bharat in any case. So those who were seekers of knowledge, those who sought knowledge, had one place to go. At once they knew one place to go. That was Bharat. There was a time that we had nearly 7 lakhs of Gurukulas in the Bharat, in entire Bharat, smaller and larger. Something like Nalanda, Takshashila, Vikramashila, so many names are there. And something which is still unknown, smaller Gurukulas, which were teaching specific things. Focused. Smaller doesn't mean that they were not intense. They were more focused onto one area only, like highly specialized kind of departments what we have today. So 6 lakhs plus, near 6, in between 6 and 7 lakhs of Gurukulas in Bharat. So many universities in one place. What does this mean, or what should this mean? It means there were so many students and so many teachers. Teachers could come from every place, and students also could come from every place to learn. Good people from somewhere else will come and like to teach here also possible, as we do. It's not necessary that all teachers were Bharatiyas only, but definitely they will be the autochthones and authorities and the acharyas. Fine. But this is also possible that someone else from outside could have taught here. There's nothing wrong in it, and there's nothing wrong in accepting it. But definitely students used to come from wherever possible. Wherever possible. And they've learned, many people must have learned and carried the knowledge, and naturally they further work on it. They work on it further, develop it into new areas and new branches. That's their creativity. So there's a logical possibility that there's a stamp of Bharatiya knowledge tradition in the entire world knowledge tradition. In most cases, explicit stamp, but at least from secondary, tertiary versions, there will be implied stamps. So, justify this. Bharat is definitely Vishwaguru. It's justified. So, we meet again with some other thoughts. Till then, Namaste, Jai Bharat and Jai Sri Ram.